Hello guys! Hey guys, so we're back cooking with FETTIE, and here is the meat. So I don't know if it'll focus. Yep. Okay, future FETTIE, I'm popping in because I realized I didn't even do an introduction on what I was cooking. So here is the intro. After this clip, we're gonna do a little pause. Obviously, you guys are here at the pause, but anyways, this is a little pause. So we're making carne asada with some extra stew meat that I had, and I already showed you guys the finished product, but here is how I made it. So I shredded it, and then just mixing this, and this is what I'm gonna put on my taco. And then next, I'm gonna make guac, sweet potatoes, and roasted corn, which the roasted corn is just from Trader Joe's. So good. And then I'm so excited because I got this new everything but the, I don't know, elote seasoning. Ooh. But yeah, it has salt, chili pepper, cheese, chipotle, and cumin. I think it's gonna be really good, so we're gonna try that with our corn. Probably gonna sprinkle it on the potato too. But I don't know, because I wanted to make my other potatoes, which is like rosemary, chili powder, garlic, literally everything. But we're just gonna try this because it's new. And yeah, so I'll set y'all down. So clearly I was struggling to cut that, but I do not have a good knife. The one I had that was really good, like the handle broke, but anyways, I cut them and they're fine. So yeah, just cube up your sweet potatoes. Okay, I'm setting you up on my oven. I'm kind of scared to do that, but whatever. Setting y'all up on the oven. Got the potatoes. And then we're just gonna drizzle olive oil on top of this. Okay. Just gonna mix this around. Holy, please, oh my god, y'all, that literally gave me a heart attack. I'm gonna set y'all there more sturdy. make sure that doesn't happen again. And plus you can see the potatoes better. Okay, so 6:30. Okay, sorry, I thought I was gonna say 6:30. So those should take like 30-45 minutes to cook. They take a long ass time to cook, so we're just gonna chill for 45 minutes. I was gonna make guac, but I think I just want like the beef and then like yellow onions and cilantro on top instead of like doing all the guac. Like I feel like that is what I want to eat. And then if I want avocados, I'll just slice it on there. But I don't think I feel like making guac today, so I kind of want to use this for like breakfast, for like avocado toast. So I'm gonna do that instead. And I'll be back with y'all. Y'all, I don't know what happened, but like, I don't know if it's from cutting the jalapenos earlier or if I touched something, but literally like, I don't know if you guys could see. Probably not, but like these 3 fingers like are literally burning so bad and like kind of hurt, and they like kind of feel numb, which is like really weird. I don't know why, but anyways, while we're waiting for the potatoes to cook, we're going to dice up some onions and then put this cilantro together. It also could be the cilantro. Every time I cook cilantro, I use cilantro when I cook, my fingers get itchy. Like this actually burns, but I wash my hands so many times, so I don't know if it's a jalapeno. Whatever. Okay. Set y'all there. And then we're just gonna cut this onion. And I wanted to use this one instead of the red onion because I don't know, I just really want like an authentic taco and not necessarily like the, I don't know, like when you go to like Southbound or something. I just want, like there's like this Mexican place that my mom used to take us to in Jacksonville, and literally was just like meat, onion and cilantro, and like that's really what I'm in the mood for. And there we have it, we're all done. I'm not gonna touch my face because I just cut that. And then I guess we're just gonna put the cilantro together and just like sprinkle it on top, and we'll have our tacos. Yo, I can't. Touching all the kind of buttons, but not the rest. So I was telling like Alicia, Faith, and Valentina that my hands were itching and I didn't know if I was like allergic to the cilantro or not. Still trying to figure that out because every time I cook with it, like I already said, my hands itch. And Eve was like, put your hand in some yogurt or dairy. So we put Greek yogurt on my hands, and I hope to God this girl did not make me do this to look stupid. So have you guys ever heard of putting dairy on, or like yogurt or milk on your hands to stop a burn or allergic reaction? I don't know, but anyways, it does feel like it's like cooling it off, but is it helping? I mean, I don't really know, but it does feel a little bit better, but it still does kind of sting. So I don't know if she's playing with me or not. But anyways, that was my little update. It looks like the potatoes still have about like 10-ish minutes, so we'll check on that in a second. Time to check out the potatoes. They look so good. Okay. Oh, so I tried that yogurt thing and my hand still burns, so I feel like E could have been lying to me. But whatever. it helped like when I first put it on, and then after I was like, okay, yeah, this actually like doesn't work. But here are the potatoes. They look so good. Okay, here's the roasted corn I was talking about, and then I'm gonna put that seasoning on it, and then we're just gonna put this in this pan for like 3 to 5 minutes. It said it should be like really easy to make, so that's what we're gonna do. I want to like sit you guys on here again, but I don't want you to fall again and not fall in my food, because that would not be good. This like feels so good on my hand that y'all, I really don't know why my hand burns so bad. So this says to put butter in it, but we're not gonna do that. I think if anything, we might just use water. But I just don't really feel like, honestly, just don't feel like getting the butter out, to be honest. So there we go. We're just gonna let that sit. I'm gonna use the same spatula I had for my meat, because I don't really care. Even this out. And that corn is, because a lot of people might ask, it's literally just corn. Like there's no additional ingredients. Let me show you. Corn. But the calories. But you know what? I don't even pay attention to calories, so I really don't care. All I know is it's good, and I'm gonna eat it. Here is the finished masterpiece. Oh my god.